managed to buy the ticket. Now the good thing is, yes, the palace closes at 5:30, but since we already bought the ticket, we can stay here, and we bought the tickets for the light and sound show as well. So I guess we can just stay here until 7:30. There are about 5-6 temples inside this palace, so that's amazing. So, ta-da! There's the palace. So let's go explore. People are hungry. This is people. I was very scared of a stampede outside because that area was very overwhelming.
Right.
So yeah, but now that that's over, let's go explore. First snack has been acquired. We have ice cream. He has cornetto chocolate. I have a kulfi pistachio ice cream. I'm very excited. I'm happy that they have coffee tea facilities available at least. It's towards the right next to the restrooms, but I will say be prepared for long queues, but otherwise at least there's food inside. So yet another bheed. You have to take off your shoes for some reason. Everywhere you go here you have to take off your shoes, so that's disgusting. So that is something to note. This is the first palace I've seen where it's not free traveling. Like they've made a path and you must follow that path. Usually I feel like all of such things are free. Like you can just go wherever you want. It's not like that here. Look at that ceiling. Sistine Chapel who? So beautiful. Okay, so now we are out of the Mysore Palace, as in out of, not the complex, but just out of the palace. What do you think, Mom? How was the palace?
उसका तो कोई जवाब ही नहीं.
They only let you go through the ground floor, that's it. Also one learning, this video is just going to become learning about Mysore Palace. It's extremely crowded, especially at this hour before closing. Obviously, go during the weekdays, go at an odd hour like 7 a.m. or whenever it opens. So it's beautiful, but just don't come at our time. If you do end up purchasing a ticket, light and sound show ticket before the light and sound show, any mistake, you can go to the admin office. We went there and they were very nice to let us re-enter for free because the ticket guy just didn't scam us, but he just overcharged us for no reason and nobody gave us any information. So he was very helpful and he allowed us to go in, but he said next time please read the rules. I don't know where to read them, but at least their breakfast has been had. Now we're gonna walk around the hotel, relax, and then go shower, go back home. Having an out and about walk, digesting the breakfast and seeing what the hotel has to offer, which we cannot enjoy because we're leaving in 2 hours. We found a location for my brother. Choo 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 choo. Oh, wow! Sitting in this beautiful area amongst nature and this weird music. Oh, this means कि हम आ गए. कोई guest. Oh, you can like sit at the lawn and have your meal. How relaxing! And the pool is there. Can you see the pool? Right there. So we're sitting here and the whole table is actually shaking. Whoa! I would actually vomit while eating here because I can't. No. Arrived at the gaming area. We couldn't even explore this. Oh my god, there's a cute hut. Maybe they have chickens. So they have oh, there's a cat. There's a wow, you can play Saap Seedi in real life. Whoa. Guys, look at where we've come. This beautiful path. So awesome.
और अपोजिट साइड में बिल्डिंग में भी है.
Wow, पानी. Let's try some.
जल जाता है. हमने दिल्ली में किया था ना, वहाँ गर्मी बहुत. आप दिल्ली गए थे? वहाँ गर्मी बहुत है ना. इसको यहाँ पे जैसा ये छाया इस तरह का इसको ऐसे
पान का पत्ता. Oh my god, guys. It's nice. It's better than जो पैकेट वाला मैंने लिया था एयरपोर्ट से.
Not bad.
Okay.
It's good.
You better Horlicks.
Apparently there's a Horlicks
before we
Mysore.
so we are sat in the car, we are ready to go. This is the look. I wore a green eyeliner, blush and some lipstick. We're ready to go. We've done our checkout. It's 12:30 p.m. I can't believe we're already leaving very soon. So that was the Mysore trip. It was lovely. Of course it had its challenges, but that is what travel does. It broadens your horizons and makes you open up to change and everything. So yeah, that was that. I loved and enjoyed this trip. I would recommend you come to Mysore. In fact, stay at the Jal Mahal. I would highly recommend. This hotel is really good. Today we explored, as you saw, so the hotel is really nice, but just be prepared not to come during the weekends. If you do, go at an odd time so you don't encounter any of the crowds, but other than that, it's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let us know where we should explore next in the south, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.